This is Ian, author of Google Drive and Docs in 30 Minutes. Today I'm going to show you how to add, resolve, and delete comments in Google Sheets. If this video helps, please subscribe and like the video. Let's get started. So I have a very basic HMO costs spreadsheet, and I'm going to add some comments, then I'm going to resolve some of them, then I'm going to delete one of them. And first of all, when you come to a Google Sheet and you see this little yellow kind of bookmark in the upper right corner of a cell, that means somebody has added a comment. And if you hover over it, you'll see what the comment is, if it's still an active comment. If I want to add a new comment, like for instance, I might say for this particular column, Silver Direct, I just highlighted it all. And then in the toolbar, you'll see a symbol that looks like a box with a plus in it. Click on that to add a comment. And so what I might say in this particular comment is, this needs to be formatted. Okay? Then make sure you press the comment button and the comment is added. If you click out of it, you won't see it anymore except for the bookmark, but then if you hover over it, you'll see it again. If you still can't find it, in the upper right corner, there's a icon that says show all comments. Just select that and then you can review them. Okay, so I just added a comment there. Let's say that on another comment that I made earlier, I want to just resolve it, just to, basically kind of keep it in the record, but just let other people know that this is taken care of. So this information is out of date and needs to be reformatted. So let's say that I went through and I reformatted it as bold or unbolded it, and then I made sure that the dollar signs were listed as dollar signs. So then to basically mark it as resolved and hide the discussion, I just hover over the check mark and then click on it, and now that particular comment is marked as resolved. And you'll notice that the bookmark has been removed. Okay? Now, the last thing I wanted to show you is how to delete a comment. So I made a comment earlier, this needs to be formatted. So let's take a look at that. Okay, and then it says more options. One of the options is delete. Delete this comment thread, press delete, and it's gone. So if I go to the review the comments, show all comments area, the deleted comment is not going to be there. The resolved comments will still be there. You can see I have some resolved comments from earlier, but the one that I just deleted, it's gone. And I won't be able to get that back unless I started looking at the version history of this particular file. If this video helps, please take a moment to like it and subscribe. I have links to more resources in the description. Thank you so much for watching.